Ito yung mga projects na pwede nyong simulan, as in today, January 1, para maging whimsical ang inyong 2026. Today! In no particular order, daily selfies. 365 daily selfies. O, diba? Ma-measure nyo yung difference nyo from the start of the year until the end of the year. Next is gratitude journal. Every day, iisip kayo or titingin kayo ng kahit anong kinag-gratitude nyo, kinag-grateful nyo sa araw na yon. Next is one photo per day. Itong mga list pala na to, not necessarily you need to post it. Pwedeng personal projects nyo lang ganon, just for fun. Next is one word to describe your day. Diba? Taray. Next, a year in pixel. Maglalagay ako ng example dito, yung year in pixel. Pwede nyo siyang idagdag sa journal nyo. And last, ito sinimulan ko na kanina lang, 365 days of glimmers. Glimmers ay opposite of triggers. Nakakapagpa-relax, nakakapagpa-comfort, nakaka-remind sa inyo ng joy and peace and harmony. Joy and peace and harmony. Tapos nakaka-relax ng inyong nervous system. Ayun lang, yun lang yung naisip ko. I hope this helps and comment down kung ano yung gusto nyong simulan ngayong January 1. As in now na project to make your 2026 whimsical or magical, whatever you call it. Ayun lang. Let's own this 2026. Happy New Year. Love you guys.